how to play games on Snapchat with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play games in Snapchat with your friends. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then at the bottom there you'll see the shutter icon. So here, just beside the shutter icon there you'll see the filters. So what you can do is just swipe through or scroll through the filters, and as you scroll there at the bottom you'll see several tab option. So there you can simply swipe through the option and there you'll see the games. So there you can just hover to the game option, and with that at top just beside the shutter button there you'll see the several games icon. So there you can simply select the game that you want to play, and here once you are in that particular game then what you can do is just look at the top left side and there you can just tap on the share icon. And there, with that being said, you can just send the game invitation link to your friends, and here, once your friends accept that particular invitation link, or if we tap on that particular link to come to the game, then you can directly play it simultaneously by setting up a record for your clearance as in this game. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.